Strickland, Head of School for Chahayabangsa Classical School. The vision and mission of CBCS is to build the nation through a Christ-centered educational environment that equips students with a biblical worldview, that cultivates a love for Indonesia, that inspires a love for learning, and serves as a model of classical Christian education across this nation. We are guided by our core values: excellence, integrity, compassion, wholeheartedness, courage, godliness, and servanthood. But what is a classical Christian education? Simply put, it's academic and spiritual formation, molding young students' hearts and minds like clay in the hand of a potter. We are about forming what our children love through their joyful discovery of the true, good, and beautiful, based on a 2,500-year-old tradition and God's Word. What are the hallmarks of a classical education at CBCS? Our students pursue truth, goodness, and beauty as unchanging ideals, since they're based on the unchanging character and nature of God. Habits of heart and mind are shaped by godly virtues. Instruction is informed by a biblical perspective. The curriculum is incremental, intentional, and integrated across subjects. It trains students in analytical thinking and problem solving. It prepares them for effective written and oral communication. It encourages creativity and imagination. And it provides them the tools for lifelong learning. At CBCS, we develop future leaders who will serve their God, their nation, and their fellow man for the glory of God. We invite you to join us and partner with us in this endeavor. Thank you.
We are pleased to welcome you as a part of our family.